Let's see how we can make use of Excel to design interactive worksheet. In this, um, number 1 to 7 are arranged in the bottommost row, and the numbers in the yellow bricks are generated from the numbers in the bottommost row. Ask the students to look at the numbers 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18 and find out how they are generated from 1 to 7. We have, and then the following that, based on that model, that pattern, let them find out how 27, 36, 45 are generated. And using the same pattern, what is the lowest number they can get it on the topmost brick, and what is the highest number they can get on the topmost brick. They can also find out whether they can get exactly 100 on the topmost brick. They can change the order of the numbers in the bottommost row. That's the only thing they can do. All other numbers cannot be changed. So to make that, now I have already, we have to protect this sheet. Before that, we have to lock the cells so that they cannot change these numbers. Now, if I click on this 6, they can see the formula. Now, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9. So this is how these numbers are derived. But the student should not see this. So what we can do is we have to hide the formula, and also we have to lock the cells so that they cannot type anything here. Only they can type or change the numbers 1 to 7 in the bottommost row. To do that, we have to highlight this and right click, format cells. We have to do protection, locked and hidden. This we have to select it. Actually, I have selected them. Why then we are not, we are able to see the formula? Because locking cells or hiding formulas has no effect until we protect the sheet. We didn't do that. So we have to do that. Take review button and protect the sheet, giving a password. It will ask you to retype. Don't follow this password, which is a bad password. Now, if you see that you cannot see the formula. At the same time, I tried to type something here. It says you cannot type anything because it is a protected sheet. So you can design such activity to students. Here, the stress is on developing thinking. How to get 100, the students have to, here they can change the numbers. Sorry. They can change the number, but ask them to type 1 to 7 only in the bottommost row, only once. Okay, they cannot put all 7 or all 1 or 2 times 1 and like that they cannot do. They should get 100 in the topmost brick. You can design such activities and share with us your activities. This is Dr. Jayanti from Experiential Math Solutions. Thank you, take care, and goodbye.